So do you feel this is going to be a biggest hit of all
We
time?
just gave it our best. Obviously, we want this to be the biggest hit of our lives, and he's done a great job in the film. He's given his life for the film, and God forbid something happens to this film, मैं तो next में चला जाऊंगा.
So Salman,
Ali साहब का थोड़ा सा, but Ali has got YRF. YRF will never leave Ali. इसके बाद आएगी इनकी next one. Announce कर दूं? हाँ? Announce कर दूं? हाँ? अरे announce कर देता आज. सब तो यहाँ पे ही है. ऐसे ही announcement होता है. हाँ जी.
Anushka, now you've worked with all three Khans, so Salman, Shah Rukh and Amir.
बस अब
So-
और क्या चाहिए?
So what,
Absolutely.
so what
He's
difference do you
answered
find?
it for me. तो सुनूंगी भी दोबारा question में. क्या बोल रहे हो आप?
So how is it working with Salman? What difference do you find in all the three Khans in the working style?
I think I'll talk about him because we're talking
Yeah,
about
okay.
Sultan here. He is a very refreshing person to kind of work with because इनके साथ like what you see is what you get. I'm sure आप लोगों ने वो experience किया होगा. इतने साल से इनको जानते हैं. तो
जो आमिर और शाहरुख बिल्कुल वैसे हैं नहीं.
So his thing is that he is kind of unfazed by anything that happens around him.
Correct. जो आमिर और शाहरुख बिल्कुल वैसे हैं नहीं.
अब सर आप चाहते हो मैं आपको बताऊं कि आमिर और शाहरुख किस चीज़ में अच्छे हैं?
प्लीज मैं तो चाहता हूँ मुझे उनके बारे में कुछ पता है लेकिन मैं आपके मुंह से भी सुनना चाहूंगा कि
मुझे
आमिर और
बस
शाहरुख
आपके बारे में बात करनी है यहाँ पे. So he is like that and I think it's something very refreshing and आपको मतलब अगर आप अपने करियर में ऐसे किसी को देखते हैं जो इस मकाम पे हैं लेकिन ऐसे हैं so you feel relaxed, you feel like कि ठीक है यार this is kind of the right way to be. I think he's very blessed and he has a lot of people around him who love him, all his fans. I mean since I was announced for the film, the kind of messages I've got from like Salman fans, it's like unbelievable. So you realize his his craze, which is amazing. So I think, and also having said that, if you see this film, you've seen the trailer, when you watch the movie, you'll realize that he's worked really hard on this film.
You're lying. You're lying.
Lying? क्या?
You're lying.
Lying. No. He's worked really hard on the film, and we've seen it, and you guys are seeing it right now. You can't fake these things. It's not easy. And like he said, wrestling as a sport, you can't use cables and all because वैसा action नहीं है. It's very real, right? It's contact sport, so you don't lose contact with the opponent. So you can't fake it. So I think hats off to him for having done this at this stage in his career. Not being like, let me keep it easy. He's like, nahin, I'm going to push myself. So I think it's amazing.
In one of your interviews, you said the music of Sultan has turned out great, but it is unlike any other your film. Could you elaborate on that? How many songs are a part of this album?
Should I say in an interview that Sultan's music is great and it's exactly like the earlier film music of mine. That though I can't say, na. Every song is different. But this, because has a folk flavor, so it is different. And बोल दूं
सलमान सर, अनुष्का मैम, आप दोनों को हरियाणवी सीखने में कितना टाइम लगा?
मैंने हरियाणवी सीखी नहीं. The dialogue used to come and somebody used to say it and I used to repeat it. So it used to take me some time, but I used to keep on. She has learned Haryanvi.
Salman.
No, and she speaks it really well. मतलब इतना अच्छा हो गया है कि ऐसा कि मदर टंग हो गया हरियाणवी इनका.
You heard the dialogue, no? Like that only it is. It's like an accent. You can't literally speak in proper हरियाणवी. किसी को समझ नहीं आएगा कि बहुत ठेठ होती है. So it's just an accent and we had a good coach जो actually खुद हरियाणवी था भी नहीं, वो खुद पंजाबी था. तो पहले तो मैं उसी को डाउट करती रहती थी क्या सिखाने वाला है. But eventually it's all sounding correct. But you heard it. जब इंग्लिश नहीं आती तो उसकी माँ बहन क्यों कर रहा है?
और सवाल ये कि क्या इससे पहले अखाड़े में उतरे आप, मतलब सेहत को लेकर?
बचपन में because my family, my chachas and they घर के सामने एक अखाड़ा हुआ करता था where as kids इन इंदौर हमको लेके जाते थे.
Yeah, this film has a quote, wrestling is not a sport, it's about fighting what lies within. So what's that one thing within you that you're still fighting with it?
कहाँ से लाते हो यार पाजी? अगर मैं आपको ये सवाल पूछता, माइक लेके जाओ, आपका जवाब इस बारे में क्या होता? नहीं, क्योंकि इतना डिफिकल्ट सवाल पूछा आपने मुझसे कि आपको ये सवाल एक बार फिर से पूछना पड़ेगा.
माइक दे दो उन्हें.
माइक प्लीज दो यार. What is the thing that I'm fighting within?
Yeah.
How could you put me in such a tight corner, Paji? This is not fair. आपको पता है what I'm fighting within? Because I think you're fighting the same thing, Paji. You are, है ना? वैसे what is it that you're fighting, Paji? हाँ?
I'm fighting with my laziness. चलो, मैंने बता दिया, आप तो बता दीजिए please.
With your laziness?
Yeah. Again, fitness को लेके थोड़ा.
Fitness को लेके. I'm fighting with myself all the time. I keep on constantly trying to up my standard by a little bit. And that is the only thing that I keep on doing. I do not look left, I do not look right. I just look straight ahead. I don't have time to look behind. I just try and take small baby steps ahead. That's all I keep on doing. Everything that I have done wrong or I'm doing wrong, I'm trying to cut it down. Everything that I am doing good, which is on a lesser amount, I'm trying to increase that level. That's all I'm trying to do.
Thank you, sir.
For the first time in 3 films, you're working with a big star among the males. And the heroes, you always worked with upcoming actors. So how different was that experience, and why did you think of Salman for
No,
Sultan?
he's worked with Katrina Kaif.
I'm talking about the males.
I think I'm fortunate enough to work with sir. I think जो सबसे ज़्यादा ज़रूरी चीज़ थी that was जब भी when you write a character, आप कोई किरदार लिखते हैं, so you visualize an actor who can pull it through. And we were very clear when I wrote the script, and me and Adi both, we were very clear that we will only make this film if sir agrees to do it. And उसमें सबसे जो मुश्किल चीज़ होती है वो ये होती है कि जब आप कभी भी इतने बड़े स्टार के पास कोई स्क्रिप्ट लेके जाते हैं, वो किरदार क्या उस स्टार की स्टारडम को जस्टिफाई कर पाता है या नहीं. And when he heard the script, it was I think a 20-minute narration which I gave him of the story, and instantly he said, this is something that I relate to, and that is where the journey of Sultan began. I think जो सबसे ज़्यादा ज़रूरी और मेरे लिए learning experience रहा is he's worked with so many directors, he's had a career which spans over 25 years. एक experience को कोई मात नहीं कर सकता. I think there's a lot of Salman in the film because his contribution to the text is phenomenal. There are certain things which someone who has learnt the craft over years, who've seen and gone through so many texts understands. और जो इनकी छोटी छोटी चीज़ें थी, he never pointed bigger things to me, he only pointed smaller things. And my learning from this film is that the depth of everything lies in small things, not in the big things. And rest all you will see on Eid.
Sorry, is there a bout, wrestling bout between you and Anushka in the film? That's one.
ये जो है ना ये वो मैं नहीं हूँ, by the way.
So that was the rumors.
वो मैं नहीं हूँ. So but there is one, but a romantic one.
Oh. Okay.
जी, it's a very nice, beautiful, romantic bout.
सलमान अनुष्का, आप दोनों से सवाल है. इस ट्रेलर में एक डायलॉग है कि डॉक्टर की शादी डॉक्टर से और रेसलर की रेसलर से, तो फिल्म स्टार की शादी किससे? आप कितना इत्तेफाक?
This was the last सवाल. एक सबको पता चलता है कि एक सवाल पूछो, लास्ट वाला, जिससे प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस खत्म हो जाता है. चलो मैडम, let's go. Thank you, धन्यवाद. Superb guys, love you all. Thank you. Bye. See you. Bye.